Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Traders GP. Uh, yeah, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So, today we will be analyzing Nasdaq, right? Uh, we on weekly time frame. As you can see that the market is bullish, and then now the market came back here, and then the market was bearish from this high to this low, right? And then now the market has turned bullish. So what we need to do is to make sure that we mark our buy side liquidity, right? Our weekly buy side liquidity. And then we know that if the market passes this, it breaks above, then surely the market is going for more buys, right? And the market will come back, obviously. Uh, somewhere here or somewhere here, we'll be looking for more buying opportunities, right? But then if the market fails to break this high, then we know that we're coming for this low. We're going to break this low, right? So we'll be looking for sales, but we need more confirmation, and we need to go on smaller time frame. But I think the market will have to come into this other block. You see this candle here, it has to come into this other block, and then if it's gonna fail to break, uh we're gonna have to see break of structure here, maybe on 15-minute time frame. And if you see here, the market broke above, the market broke above, so it makes this daily low on daily time frame. It makes it a strong low, right? So we're gonna have to go on smaller time frame just for confirmation, right? Just for confirmation. Remember, this is our weekly high, and then this is the low, right? And then remember what I said to you guys is that we have our push up here, and then to make this a valid pullback, we need three candles to close below each other. There is a first candle, there is a second candle, and there's a third candle. So it makes this a low, right? The reason I'm saying this is also a low, and then if we break it, then we're going for this low, is simply because of the structure is broken, right? It's broken, and then this is a pullback. You see, this is a pullback, and then we're gonna have to see here if we break here, if we break here, right? If we break here, then surely we're going for this 1 week order block. Let me just mark it. We're going for this 1 week order block, right? So this is where we'll be looking for, this is where we'll be looking for break of structure or change of character to the downside on 15 minutes time frame, but we're not there yet. So I think the market will push up and play into these areas, right? So on daily time frame, we see that we're going for this 4 hour low, for this 4 hour high, sorry. So we need to go to our 4 hour, and as you can see, guys, as you can see, this is the low, right? This is the low, but look at this, the 4 hour low, right? This is our 90% rule, right? So the market broke below this, came for the 90%, and now the market is pushing up, right? The market is pushing up. So on 4 hour time frame, it's just liquidation. The market was coming for this fair value gap here. The market was just coming for this fair value gap. You see, if there is always a fair value gap below any strong low, then you must know that there's gonna be a wick, right? So this is the reason why this low was wicked out. So now we're going for the highs, which is I believe that we're going to break the highs, right? Which is I believe that we're going to break the highs. So what we do now, okay, let's just leave this here. So what we do now is we're gonna have to go on smaller time frame, 1 hour time frame, and look at our internal structure, right? Look at our internal structure, and then as you can see here, what happened is the market was on a downtrend, right? And then the market is on a uptrend, right? And then we're gonna have to wait and see if the market will break here. Remember, we don't predict, we just follow the market, right? So if you check here, it's a break of structure, right? It's a valid low because of its three candles closing below each other. And then this here, it's our 1 hour, it's our 1 hour, this here, it's our 1 hour sell side liquidity, right? This is our 1 hour sell side liquidity. Okay, which is I believe that the market, it broke this high, so it's gonna have to come back to these areas and then push up to these highs, and then we'll take it from there. We'll see if the market will break above or the market will reverse again. You understand? But for now, we're looking for this uh, short-term buys if the market comes back. You understand? There's a order block somewhere here when you go to your 15 minutes time frame, I believe. So here's the order block there. As you can see, this is our fair value gap, our imbalancement. So I take this whole week. I take this whole week and the candle below our imbalancement, and then I use it as an order block. You understand? So when the market comes back, I'll be taking I'll be taking my buys here and then going all the way to this high, right? Going all the way to this high. But in order for me to enter this trade, I need a confirmation on a 5 minutes time frame whereby the market will move like this, create lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, moving into this other block, and then it has to come and break this 5 minute high. And then when it comes for the fair value gap or for the other block, that's when I will enter and I will take the ride. You understand? In that way, it will increase it will increase my risk to reward. You understand? It will increase my risk to reward, and then I'll put my TP here. So with Nasdaq, I would say we wait and see. And then if the market breaks above, as you can see here on bigger time frame, that the market, these candles, they look bullish, right? As you can see that these candles, they look very bullish. You understand? So the chances are the chances are the market can just come and push up, not pull back, but push up. But remember, on smaller time frame, each candle that you see moving up, it has it has downtrends and uptrend. So we look into each candle. For example, we're looking into this candle on smaller time frame. We're looking into this candle on smaller time frame. You see, you see, we're looking into this candle on smaller time frame. So for each daily candle, we need to go to smaller time frame and make sure that we see this is where our daily candle closes, right? This is where our daily candle I mean, this is our daily candle's low. So if the market comes below this, then we know that the market will be coming for these lows, right? But I believe that the market will push up. I believe that the market will push up. So I believe that we will be looking for what? We will be looking for buys, because on 1 hour, this is liquidity. This is liquidity, right? On 1 hour. This is liquidity. The reason why it's because of this is not a pullback. You see, it's only one candle. It's not a pullback. This is a pullback. So if we break this, then we know that we're not coming here. We're coming for these lows. We're coming for these lows and then to move up again. But that's not what we're focusing on now. We're only focusing on this low and this high for this moment. That's why we're moving to 15 minutes hour time frame, and then ensuring you see here the market created equal highs. The market created equal highs. So I believe that this is just liquidity. The market will come for this the market will come for this fair value gap and this other block below the fair value gap, and then the market will move up. The market will come here and the market will move up to these highs. Okay, so like I said, I take from this to here. Normally I would take it like this if there's no wick here. You understand? But on smaller time frame, you'd find that there's a order block somewhere here. So I'm taking all of this to avoid being stopped out. So when the market opens, guys, we wait. We wait for the market to come down to the other block, and then we enter our buys. We enter our buys, as we can see that we are on a bullish market. You see, as we can see that we are on a bullish market, and then it will come here and then break these highs. So yeah, this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment.